The mean is the average or the norm. The way we calculate the mean is by adding up all the values and find the total, and then we divide the total by the number of values you added together. So let's look at this example. What is the average age of grade 2 students? So we have all the students here. We have an 8-year-old, 7-year-old, an 8, 7, and another 8-year-old. And we know that the values result in, or the sum of the values is 46. We have 6 values there, so 46 divided by 6 equals 7.6. So we know that the average age of a grade 2 student is 7.6 years old on average. Let's work through another example. So we're trying to find the average. What is the average number of apples eaten each week in 2C after 5 weeks? We can see in week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can see in week 1 there are 23 apples eaten. In week 2 there's 20. In week 3, 25. In week 4, 19. In week 5, 21. So in 5 weeks there's 100 apples that are eaten. If we divide 108 apples by 5 weeks, we can see that on average there are 21.6 apples eaten, or 21.6 apples eaten per week. Let's work through another example. On average, how much TV does Josh watch a week? We can see on Monday he watches 30 minutes. On Tuesday he watches 45. On Wednesday he watches another 30. On Thursday he watches 45. On Friday he watches 60 minutes. On Sunday he watches 60 minutes worth of TV, and on Sunday he watches half an hour of TV. So across the week, Josh watches 300 minutes of TV. We know that there are 7 days in a week. So 300 minutes divided by 7 days is 42.86 minutes per day. So each day, Josh is watching on average 42.86 minutes of TV a day. In summary, the mean is just the average. It's the overall behaviour or the trend. It is a representation of all the numbers in the data set. So the mean is the average or the norm. If you're having trouble understanding what the mean is, go back once again and rewatch this video.